Hey y'all, today I'm going to be unboxing two ThredUP Rescue Boxes. I got a sleepwear box and a fun box. I have never purchased a sleepwear box and I think this is my third or fourth fun box. Before I show you what ThredUP sent me, I did want to say this video is going to be a collab. So not only are you going to see me unbox these two boxes, but my friends Shay and Tyler over at Spinning Under 30s, they also bought these exact same rescue boxes and are going to be unboxing them on their channel. Me and Shay have not collabed in a hot minute, so I'm super excited to collab with her again and see what they got. I'm gonna link their channel down below. Make sure you check them out. That way you get a good idea of what ThredUP is sending, because these boxes are definitely hit and miss. If you're new here and you have no idea what this is, these are mystery boxes. So ThredUP is an online thrift store, and basically what doesn't sell on the thrift store website that they have, thredup.com, goes into these rescue boxes, and we pay a flat fee. I'm gonna show you exactly what they sent me. I'm gonna tell you how much I paid. So let's just get into it. We are gonna start with a sleepwear box. And I feel like this is kind of like the controversial box because you get only 4 items in this box. However, I have seen some really good unboxings. My friend Thrift the Night Away, sometimes she buys 10, 12 of these at one time and unboxes them on her channel. So yeah, they're very hit and miss, but some of them are great. Some of the stuff they send is great. So I did do a sneak peek. My boxes came from Arizona. I know someone's gonna ask that. I already know what's inside, so I tried to put everything back how it was. Everything was wrapped up nicely. Arizona puts the sticker on the paper. So these are my 4 items. I believe it was 4, let's see, I don't have my receipt in here. I want to say this is 4 pieces for $28 plus shipping. So let me just show you what they sent me. And I'm just going to pull out the first thing I pulled out. I couldn't believe this. So this is a little bra, but if you look at the tag, it is brand new Lululemon. Honestly, if I saw this at the thrift store, I don't think I would have thought this is Lululemon because I didn't see like a logo around it. It's just a little bralette. The name is Live in Lace bralette, and it is a size small. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I can get over $28 for this brand new with tags Lululemon. So you know, this was already starting off really, really good. Okay, let me put this down. It's going to be easier for me to show you. This is a great piece. They do tend to send a lot of Victoria's Secret in this box. So this is Victoria's Secret, and it's the Very Sexy. And this is a size medium large. So this is really cute. It's all mesh, a little corset. So yeah, I think this is going to do good. Honestly, I think I'm probably going to double the price I paid in the box just from these 2 items. This is a little nightgown. And this is a brand I've never sold before, I don't think. I think this is Marilyn Monroe. But I've never sold that before. I know they sell some of this stuff at like Marshall's. But just a really nice blue lace nightgown. And then the last thing that came in my sleepwear box was a robe. You tend to get robes in this box a lot. A Donna size large. The only robes I think I've ever sold was maybe a Barefoot Dreams robe. I've never sold this brand. It's just like a black and white polka dot. But yeah, I'm gonna list it. I like getting rescue boxes because I do list everything that comes in the rescue box, and I learn about new brands. So that was my sleepwear box. Super happy with that. I think I would definitely buy that one again. So this is my fun box, and let me tell you, there is something they put in here. It's not worth any money, but we are going to spend some time on it because it is so it's so interesting. I don't know why they put it in here. You guys leave in the comments if you think this should have been counted for 1 item or not. It's entertaining nonetheless. This is how it came. They do put the stickers on the tissue paper. And let me, oh, they did put a receipt in this one. Okay, so my fun box was $32, and you're supposed to get 10 items. I got exactly 10 items. Whether or not one of these items should count as 10, you tell me. Okay, first item are these tights, Janie and Jack. I have only listed a couple pair of new tights before. These were originally $18. But every pair I have listed has sold really quickly, so I'm not mad about that at all. They did send Vera Bradley. You can probably tell just by the print. And I don't know if this is a pocketbook. I don't know. I'm going to have to Google search this. I never pick up Vera Bradley to sell, but I have come across it. Like my friend gave me, I think, like 6 or 7 Vera Bradley bags one time, and I lotted them all up and they sold super quickly for a really good amount. So yeah, not mad about this. I have faith it'll sell. They did send me some pajamas, which I was really happy about because these are not only cute and a set, but these are new with tags. So this is Airy, and this is a size small, and it's just a black tiger print. Feels like silk. They feel really nice. It's probably just polyester. Just a pant nightgown set. Very cute. I spent $32 on this box. I mean, I probably can get that just from the pajamas, I would think. You let me know. Okay. They did send some jewelry. So, if you guys saw my last ThredUP jewelry box, it was pretty good. I've made a lot of money already, profit. I've already made my money back on the box. I think I'm definitely going to buy that box again. This, however, is, I don't know. I want to say it's unbranded, but it has some kind of little logo. It's just like a star. I want to say this is probably just like a cheap piece of like fashion jewelry. It's just like a little star right there on that circle. But it is a really pretty piece. It's gold, and it has this little stone right here. I like this like gold, kind of like dainty little chains. That's kind of like what I like to wear too. So I'm just going to keep this. I'm not going to resell it. But I would highly recommend buying the ThredUP jewelry boxes. They are super hard to come by. But I got Tory Burch, Kendra Scott. Yeah, really happy about that. Okay. So they did send this watch, and my husband thinks I should keep it. You guys let me know. I don't really wear watches, but this one is really, really nice. It is in working condition, as you can see. So the brand on this watch is Skagen. It's kind of covered up right there at the top. But yeah, it's in fabulous condition. So whenever I looked at comps on this, I think I can easily get $50. But yeah, I don't have a watch, and if I got a watch, I think white would be a color I would get. So you guys let me know, should I keep the watch? What I'm thinking is I'll probably list it. Maybe I'll list it for like $75, and I'll just wear it. And then if it sells for a good amount, we'll sell it. So yeah, I think so far with the pajamas and the watch and the tights, I feel like all those I'm pretty confident will sell. They did send this, and whenever I looked this up, oh yeah, if you can see a feather flying around, some of this stuff, we'll get to it. Okay, so here is the brand, seamslovely.com. Just a cute little brand new with tag sports bra. It's super stretchy, to be honest with you. And just in case you're interested, this is a one size fits most. But yeah, I'll list that. Okay, so these dang slippers. Here's another piece. When I opened up the box, these feathers went everywhere. These are, I think these were unbranded. There's a couple things in here that were just like unbranded. So they do have the little tag that says the size, US size 7-8. There's more. This stuff is just flying everywhere. I need to list these and put them away because they were getting on everything. Okay, so here's a couple items that I was like, I don't know if these should have, I don't know if they should have been included. This is like a little coin purse. It's unbranded, I believe. I don't know. I don't see a name brand on it. It has just like a rose gold chain. This does have a C as maybe the logo brand, but yeah, I don't know if this is something I will take the time to sell. And this is the last thing that they put in my box. So when I saw this, I was like, why did they put, they put like a used, oh my gosh, look at that. Y'all, this stuff is everywhere. So I don't know. This and this to be counted as 2 of my 10 items, not really excited about it. Especially, I looked this up, I was like, well, maybe this book is worth something. It's not. You can get this for like $3 free ship on eBay, and mine came like all bent up. So anyway, I was thinking, well, I guess this just can be a book I'll read, because I'm not gonna sell something for $3 free ship. I'm just gonna let you know. I just opened up the book to get an idea of what this book was about. I would love to read like an excerpt of like this book, but it would just be me blushing the whole time and a bunch of beep, beep, beep. This is a very, this has a lot of like 50 Shades of Grey vibes. They probably should have put this book in the pajama box as like a joke. But yeah, this is Advice on Love and Life. These are just like entries that people have wrote in, and they are pretty wild. They are pretty wild. It was originally $16. Yeah, so let me know. Would you have been kind of upset if you got this? I don't know. This book, like this like kind of like bent up book, and then this like cheap little thing, I don't know if that should have been counted. You guys let me know. Overall, I did think these boxes were pretty good, and I am confident I can for sure at least make my money back and a little bit of profit. I have been on a ThredUP kick lately, and I did just order another ThredUP scrap fabric box. You guys, I've purchased 2 of those, and I've done really well with them. I still have some items listed from the box. I've already made profit on both of the boxes, but I have some items they sent me that are actually worth a lot of money. So I decided to bite the bullet, get another one. That box will be here in about a week, so I will upload that once it arrives. Make sure to click on my friend's video down below. I'm gonna link it in my description box. I cannot wait to see what they get. Hopefully they got something as juicy as I did. This was this is an interesting read. If you did come over from Shay and Tyler's channel, hey, what's up? My name is Alicia. I do upload very frequent content here on this YouTube channel. I do a lot of thrift with me's, hauls, unboxings, what sold videos. So if that interests you, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all tomorrow for a new fun video. Bye, y'all.